From the First Alert Weather Center, meteorologist Jonathan Condor with your severe wind timeline. These winds are not from thunderstorms, from deep area low pressure in Kansas driving our winds. So number one, we have a high wind warning for the counties in red. That's gusts 55 to 65 miles an hour. Not as windy across southeastern Oklahoma. And I think you probably already know this, fire danger is extreme. So we have red flag warnings, probably the worst fire danger day so far this year for the state. The wind gust timing, so they should start gusting 55 miles an hour by 10 a.m., 60 miles an hour for 1 p.m. This is OKC specific. The worst winds are between 1 and 4 o'clock, gusting to 65. Winds start to come down, but they're still gusting 45 at 7 p.m. So find your town on the map here, and this is model data. So understand there may be some gusts that are higher in between the pause points. So again, by 10 a.m., gusting in the 40s and then 50s and pockets of 60s already in southwestern Oklahoma. Those winds blow into OKC by the early afternoon. Again, gusts in the mid 60s. Then those winds finally start to come down. We will be past the peak definitely by 7 p.m., but 7 p.m. parts of northern Oklahoma still gusting 40, 50, and 60 miles an hour. Those winds will finally calm down by tomorrow morning. So what do you have to do? Come pay us a visit, KOCO 5 News. So many chances for you, but I'd want you to check in at 4, 5, 6, and 10 p.m. Chief Meteorologist Damon Lane, he'll be in, and he'll have your updated weekend planner and 5+5 day forecast.